President Trump's reelection could drastically change your financial future in ways you might not expect. Stay tuned as we uncover 5 critical ways his new term will impact your money. Hello everyone, my name is Steven, the host of the Money Mentor Hub. With over 10 years of experience in investment banking across Europe's major cities and serving as a key finance executive for Fortune 500 companies, I have a deep understanding of how political shifts affect personal finances. Today, we will dive deep into the potential economic impacts of President Trump's re-election and what it means for your wallet in 2025. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of how his policies could influence your investments, taxes, job security, and more. Plus, I will share actionable tips on how to navigate these changes to protect and grow your wealth. First, let's talk about tax policies. President Trump's previous tax reforms significantly altered the tax landscape, and his re-election promises more changes. These could include further tax cuts for individuals and businesses. While tax cuts might increase your take-home pay, they could also lead to reduced government revenue, potentially impacting public services that many rely on. But what does this mean for you personally? Let's explore how these tax changes could affect your financial planning and what strategies you can adopt to maximize your benefits. Let's consider trade policies. President Trump's approach to international trade has involved imposing tariffs and renegotiating trade agreements. This could lead to increased prices on imported goods, affecting everything from electronics to clothing. Higher prices mean your dollar does not stretch as far, impacting your purchasing power. Third, the stock market could see significant volatility. While some industries may benefit from Trump's policies, others might face challenges. Investors may react to policy changes with uncertainty, leading to fluctuations in your investment portfolio. It is crucial to stay informed and consider diversifying your investments to mitigate potential risks. By the way, if you are finding this information valuable, please consider liking this video and subscribing to the Money Mentor Hub. Your support helps us bring you more insights to help you achieve financial freedom. Fourth, let's discuss job security and the economy. President Trump's focus on deregulation and corporate tax cuts aims to stimulate business growth, potentially leading to job creation. However, if trade tensions escalate, certain industries like manufacturing and agriculture could suffer, possibly leading to job losses. Are you wondering how to safeguard your career in this changing landscape? Stay with me, because I will share some tips on how to adapt and thrive amid these shifts. Fifth, healthcare policies could see changes that affect your expenses. Adjustments to the Affordable Care Act or other healthcare initiatives might influence insurance premiums and out-of-pocket costs. This could impact your budget significantly, especially if you have ongoing medical needs. Understanding these potential changes is key to preparing and adjusting your financial plans accordingly. In summary, President Trump's re-election could impact your money through tax reforms, trade policies affecting prices, stock market volatility, shifts in job security, and changes to healthcare costs. Being proactive and informed is essential to navigate these potential challenges. I would love to hear your thoughts. How do you think these changes might affect you personally? Share your opinions and experiences in the comments below. If you want to stay ahead of the curve on economic predictions and learn strategies to protect and grow your wealth during political shifts, be sure to check out our next video where we dive into the latest economic trends and forecasts. Thank you for watching. Remember, your financial future is in your hands, and staying informed is the first step to securing it. Before you go, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to the Money Mentor Hub for more insights. See you in the next one.